I hope you're all doing really, really well. Mum's here. And that means it's Birchbox time. We should have done the, what time is it, Mum?
Birchbox time.
And you go like this.
Oh yeah, I normally do, don't I? In fact, while we're doing that then, it is 2:36.
In case anyone was wondering. Birchbox costs how much?
£12.95 including
postage. And it is a beauty box. Mum gets it, I don't. Oh, that's a pretty box. Why does it always have this line like it's been cut?
I don't know.
This is the Nutcracker. Does it say the Nutcracker? Disney Nutcracker and the Four Realms. It's a pretty box.
Well, that's a good start.
Yeah. Doesn't feel very heavy.
No, it doesn't feel very heavy.
Yeah.
It might be on the way out.
I don't rate Birchbox, which is why I don't get it anymore. And Mum just gets it because she wants to do the videos.
I might get something different.
Comment down below what Mum should get instead of Birchbox. Because she literally doesn't use anything in these boxes.
No, I could do a massive giveaway of everything that's been in any of my
I feel like you should do it, yeah.
Boxes.
Okay, so, oh, I've just seen something that I might be stealing.
Oh, you won't be.
Okay, so I get this bit, Mum pulls stuff out, and I tell you about it.
So where do you want to start, darling?
You pick anything you want.
Right, we'll go to this tubey thing first. It's a Nuit Polaire.
It's Polar, and it's Polar Night Cream, and it's effectively a great night's sleep.
Nuit Polaire.
A great night's sleep in a pot. The moisturiser works to brighten your skin overnight, enriched with boreal algae, an ingredient that reacts to the blue light of the moon to boost cell renewal.
What?
Sounds like an absolute load of bollocks, to be honest, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But Polar is I had an under eye roller from Polar that was really nice. I liked that.
It's got
so you'll probably like this.
So you can't. What do you do with it? Where do you put it? On your face.
Yeah, it's a face cream. In fact, it feels like a really nice big full sample, doesn't it?
Yes.
But a full size one is £32.
Yes. Well, they will be
jogging the fudge on, will they?
Right, now we've got another little tube called Glam Glow Insta Mug.
60-second pore refining treatment. Now, Glam Glow, do you remember when I had the mask that made me silver? Not the sheet mask that you had.
One that made me look like a robot.
This is another one. No. Amy got it for me last year for for Christmas, and I had a really bad reaction to it. I did a video on it, and it literally burnt my face.
So you won't be using this then?
The brand, I don't know. I've never used. I know I might have used another one.
Insta Mud. Is it a face pack?
It says when your pores are in need of refinement, this foaming mask will work for you. You don't have any pores.
Are beyond refining.
You haven't got any pores.
I must have got some.
No, you
Everybody
haven't.
has pores.
She hasn't. She's got no pores. Why is my camera being a dick?
What do you mean? What's a pore? I thought
like you look in my nose, like all these little holes.
I can't see any little holes.
Well, there are lots of them, but you haven't got any. You're okay.
Mine have been filled in with polyfiller.
Yeah.
Right, that's the second thing.
Full size one of them is £30.
Right, okay, now
that will do one probably.
We've got like a...
This is Manica Dark Cosmetics. This is a Diamond Dust Shadow in Pixie or Enchanted. Which one have you got?
I've no idea. It's just sort of a shiny colour.
You have got Enchanted. It says just there.
I'm sorry, I didn't see that.
Right, this is a...
We're going to open that one, are we?
Well, yeah, because you want to see it, don't you? You're going to keep this one, so... Put it back. You're not allowed to look at stuff until we've got it out.
Sorry.
Naughty. So it's a roller, I think. Yeah.
What do you do with that then?
It says, so this is full size and a Birchbox exclusive. This is £15. Add a touch of sparkle,
joking.
weight, and shine to your eyeshadow game with this shimmery and treat. The rollable packaging guarantees smooth, easy application with no brush. I'm a little bit skeptical.
Like a deodorant, is it?
Oh, wow.
That's clever, isn't it?
Oh.
Someone's going to be liking that, aren't they?
Look at that. Close your eyeball.
Don't make me look daft though. That feels really weird.
Yeah, I don't want to press too hard.
No, you can press. I'm not fussed.
It's a very you colour.
Is it?
It's going on really well. I'm really impressed with that. Have a look in there. Have a look in the mirror. Close your eyes.
I can't see if I close my eyes, can I?
Close one eye. Like? Let me zoom in on you.
No, don't.
Brace.
You'll see all the pores.
Brace.
Right,
close your eyes. See, it's a really pretty colour. I'm impressed with that. Yes. I think that's good.
Okay.
I think that's good. It's really pretty,
that's
really
quite
shimmery.
Nice, actually, isn't it? If you like shimmery, pretty things. So
I like shimmery things.
Right, what do you want to look at next? The next thing.
Yeah, do that one.
This is a Wonder 2
Prime and Behold.
Prime and Behold. Professional primer for colour cosmetics.
Okay, this is just as you become tired at the end of the day, so does your makeup. Keep your products looking as vibrant as when you apply them with this smudge-proof base, lightweight and comfortable.
Big box.
To wear it prevents your makeup from creasing or fading. Just apply to your eyelids and your lips as your first step. That's a good face.
It's a big box, isn't it?
It is a big box.
Why did they bother putting it in a box like that?
Oh, it's like pearlescent. You can see it there. It looks like a highlighter.
Got some instructions here as well. Look.
Oh, I just put it on my nose.
Instructions.
It smells like maple syrup.
Let me smell. No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Let's smell my hand just there. It smells like maple syrup.
It's like sweet smell.
Maple syrup. Okay, it says apply to clean, dry skin. Use the built-in applicator to gently spread the product onto the desired area. Leave to set for 1 minute. And then apply any colour pigment. Okay, what we're going to do, I'm going to do a little test. So we're going to put some on my hand.
Right.
We're going to leave it for a minute.
Well, sort of mauve.
Yeah, it's like a pearlescent. You can see it. It's like a highlight.
And then what?
We're going to leave it for a minute.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put this over it and see if it makes it more intense.
What, the little roller thing? All right then.
So what's your next one?
This is the last thing.
This is lovely. These are really good. You'll like this.
This is something called a space mask.
£3.50. This is full size and it's a self-heating eye mask. They're really nice.
What do you do with it?
Unwinding from a stressful day isn't as easy as it sounds. And when you're struggling to switch off, relax with this space mask infused with mood calming jasmine. A thin layer of iron filings inside the mask entwined with oxygen molecules to causing the air to heat up. So you put it on and it's just like one of these masks. It looks like, it's like this.
Oh, right.
And it heats up on your eyes. It's lovely. I've done it before.
So it's not all over your face.
No, it's literally just like this.
Eye mask.
Yeah, they're lovely.
Oh.
You'll like that.
Will I?
Yeah.
Well, that's the box then, and we've also got a very nice piece of foam. And what's that?
That's just about the Glam Glow bollocks.
Okay.
Just telling you all the millions of ingredients that are in it that you're gonna be allergic to.
Right. Okay. So we've done that bit. Are we ready to do the next bit?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it and see if it's more.
Why do you think it will?
That's what it says it is.
Looks as if it has to me.
It has!
Yes, goodness me, what a difference.
Look, I'm going to turn this light down. Wait there. No, wrong way. No, don't be, Christ! It's just getting brighter. Right, okay, I think that's a bit better. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So this
is
the roll-on with no primer, and that is the same one with the primer.
Definitely see the difference, can't you?
Wow.
Gosh.
I'm impressed with that.
Oh, well, there you are then, dear. You better have those two then, hadn't you?
Thanks. Thanks.
Will you use them?
Yeah, definitely.
All right then.
That Wonder one
So Mummy goes away with 3 things.
You got the nicest thing though.
You can have the instructions as well.
I don't need the instructions, thank you.
Oh, don't you? Don't you need codes and things?
Oh yeah, probably do. Can't
anyway.
Right,
is there a sneak peek? Pretty.
Next month you get a lipstick.
Oh, do I?
A long-lasting liquid lipstick. You don't like them, do you?
I don't know, do I?
They're the liquid ones you put on.
No, I find them a bit strange. Do you like them?
Yeah, but I wouldn't wear these ones. They're not my colours.
Not very nice.
They're nice. They're just not my colours, really. It's like a sort of like a off red and then an off pink. I've got a cough. I've got a horrible cough.
Oh, you'll be all right. You'll live.
So yeah, that was Mum's Birchbox. I think that was really good. I wasn't expecting a lot, to be honest.
That exciting, but
the only thing I wouldn't like in there would be the Glam Glow thing.
The Glam Glow thing, but you'd have all the others.
Everything else I think is really nice.
Yeah, have you got a bin? I can
yes, behind you, just throw it in that vicinity.
Yeah, there we go. I've thrown it
there. You want to do the outro?
Yes, if you've enjoyed watching Lucy's little video like this about my Birchbox, you should definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to her channel immediately.
Or else.
Thanks for watching. She'll set the dog on you.
He would just lick you.
Yeah, he probably would.
He does have poo breath, so.
Oh, that's nice. Finishing it nicely, Lucy. Well done.
Bye!